days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.
Hi, I'm Dominique.
And I'm Brittany.
And we are minivan_space confessions. Today we're at one of our, common places, I guess.
Yeah.
We're at Dairy Queen. We're not even that big of Dairy Queen fans. But
No.
it's just, new menus come out a lot. We're going to try things. So we are going to try their fall menu minus one thing plus their this month special.
Yeah, it was their Blizzard of the month.
Yeah. So we have 4 to try.
Mm-hmm.
We've got pumpkin pie.
I kind of want to try that one last.
Yeah. Snickerdoodle cookie dough.
Mm-hmm.
Heath caramel brownie, and then
It was their Harvest Berry Pie Blizzard.
Yeah. So those are the 4 we're gonna try. All right. Which one should we start with?
I'm kind of scared for the Harvest Berry, so let's try that one first.
Okay.
Because
Yeah, I don't know what the heck this is gonna be.
I'm a little bit scared for it. It's like pink. Oh, is there chunky stuff in it?
Yeah, like berries. Yeah, it's pieces of berry. Alright.
No, what is this? Like graham cracker or something?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, maybe because of pie.
Probably the crust.
Yeah. It's not that bad.
No, it's not. It's actually kind of good.
Mm-hmm.
I like those little crust pieces.
Yeah. That is good. I was scared for this one, honestly.
That's really good. I was sure this one was going to be bad, and I was like, we probably shouldn't get that one. I was like, no, well, if it's bad, we can let people know, but this is good. I'm definitely going to eat more of that later. I'm looking for the rest of that. That is good. Alright, let's try this Heath brownie thing.
Okay.
I can't remember exactly what a Heath bar even is. I know it's some kind of chocolate bar.
Yeah, I don't really know.
You get a little bit of everything. There's brownie in it and
It's like caramel.
yeah, and I guess that's probably pieces of Heath bar.
Probably. I don't know, I'm just going for it.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah. It's okay. It's not amazing, but
Yeah.
I guess if you're a Heath bar fan, this is probably really good. But I don't know that that's my thing.
The brownie's good.
Yeah.
I like that.
I don't like the pieces of the Heath bar, which is the whole thing. They're literally chunks. I gotta break down after the ice cream melts.
You're dripping, girl.
Ooh. Yeah.
We should have grabbed napkins.
Yeah, we should have. Alright, and now we've got the snickerdoodle
Cookie dough.
Right.
It looks so good, though. I love cookie dough, too.
I love snickerdoodles and I love
Me
cookie dough.
too. I'm gonna need me some cookie dough on that.
Yeah.
I'm not really sure.
I'm not sure that snickerdoodle is meant to be just raw cookie dough. That might be one I'm gonna say no to, or there's like too much cinnamon, and I don't know. I love snickerdoodle cookies, like cooked, but like that wasn't it.
It was a lot of cinnamon.
Yeah, it was like very, like the cookie dough was like very dry.
Mm-hmm.
Which was like weird with the cookie dough texture to be like so dry, but I think it's all the cinnamon.
Probably.
That like cinnamon challenge thing where you can't like swallow cinnamon and just like dries your mouth out. So that one's a no for me.
Yeah.
Alright, we got one more to try. I didn't show the other ones.
Oh well. Ooh, we got some pumpkin.
It does not want to like work with me. There's some cinnamon on it too. Alright. Let's try here. Get a little bit of this. I should probably mention I'm not a big pumpkin pie fan.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But it's such like a fall flavor. We had to try it.
I like it.
Oh, I don't. It tastes just like a pumpkin pie, though.
It really
I don't like
does.
pumpkin pie, but that tastes just like a pumpkin pie. So if you like pumpkin pie,
You will like this.
you'll like that. But if you don't try it. Which you probably already know and wouldn't if you don't like pumpkin pie.
I like it though.
Yeah. I guess, okay, so we'll go through on if they're a yes or no for us. Let's start with the berry one.
Yeah.
That was definitely a yes for me, a yes for her. I think that one was my favorite.
Yeah.
Then we've got the Heath Bar one.
It was okay.
Yeah, it was like
Like the crunchy stuff was really hard though.
yeah, I think it would be a no for me. Like I would never like order it.
Yeah, I wouldn't choose it, I don't think.
Yeah. And it was just the like Heath Bar part was what we didn't like, but that's what it was also.
Yeah.
So it's like okay, and then we've got the Snickerdoodle one. That was a no.
No.
No. All right, and then the pumpkin pie.
I like that one.
That's a yes for her, and that's a no for me because I don't like pumpkin pie. So my favorite was the berry one, and my least favorite is probably the cookie dough, or the Snickerdoodle cookie dough. Yeah.
My least favorite is definitely the Snickerdoodle cookie dough too. But I think my favorite was the pumpkin pie.
Yeah. All right. Well, that is us tasting them. I'm definitely gonna eat some more of this like berry one here. I can't wait to do that. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it, comment, subscribe. If you have friends who are into this or are interested in any of these blizzards, share it to let them know if they should give it a try or not.
Make sure that you follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. Give us some retweets, some shares, and some subscriptions on YouTube too.
Yep. All right, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.